Hey, what's up, Montana Outlaw BBQ fans? It's Ty coming at you with another Montana cocktail hour. Today, the weather's turning cold. One of our favorite wintertime drinks is the Montana Outlaw Old Fashioned. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's go. Fort Hamilton Rye Whiskey. Obviously we enjoy it because of our namesake Hamilton, but this rye whiskey comes in at 58.2% alcohol, and it's gonna make one fantastic old fashioned. Because we use a hot whiskey that's got a lot of spice in it, we need to sweeten it up. For us, we use blue agave nectar. To get all the sensations going, we use Angostura Aromatic bitters. It always adds those nice aromatic flavors. And for the perfect cocktail, we need the perfect ice sphere, and we only trust Meltdown to deliver on that promise. All right, now that we've gone through all our ingredients, let's go ahead and assemble our cocktail. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the Fort Hamilton Rye Whiskey. 2 ounces over ice. Next thing, because we need to add a little bit of sweetness to this, typical old fashioned's gonna use just simple syrup or a sugar cube. We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of agave nectar. We're gonna do our 4 dashes of Angostura bitters. Give this a twist. And while we're giving this a twist, let's talk about our next step. It wouldn't be Montana Outlaw BBQ cocktail with our own twist on it if we didn't smoke it. So we're gonna break out the smoke machine in our Little Book smoke chamber. We're gonna give this one a quick smoke and we'll garnish it. So we're gonna spin this for about 20 to 30 seconds, just long enough to dilute it and chill it down a little bit. So we're gonna spin this cocktail because it's delicate, it's well balanced. We don't want a cloudy cocktail. If we want something that's shaken up, typically that's gonna have something like a lemon juice or some sort of fruit juice in it. We really need to incorporate it. It's gonna be cloudy anyway. This one we wanna make sure we maintain that nice crystal clear appearance. So just a good little spin. Okay, now that we're just spinning, I'm gonna get my smoke chamber set up. We're gonna come right back. Don't take it off this ice yet. All right, so here's our Little Book smoke chamber. Go ahead and place your cocktail right inside there. Okay, the Breville smoke machine. We're gonna let this go for 30 seconds or so. You can go heavier smoke if you want. Today we're using hickory smoke chips. It's traditional barbecue flavors. It's Montana Outlaw spin on it. Now that we got enough smoke in there, let that smoke kind of clear out. And let's get it out, get the cocktail out of there. Now that we got our smoked cocktail done, it's time to make our ice sphere, our Meltdown ice sphere. So in the fall time, we love great whiskey cocktails. This one's just such a classic. You add these spins on it, the smoke, the agave nectar, the beautiful ice cube. I mean, it just makes it, whenever anybody comes over, it's definitely one they ask for. And the ice press, the Meltdown ice press melts perfect sphere so fast. You can see once it's done dripping out of there, you're pretty much good to go. Perfect ice sphere. Then just to finish your cocktail, strain over the top. Garnish with a lemon peel and a cherry. That's the Montana Outlaw Old Fashioned. Smoked with hickory smoke, agave nectar, really great bourbon from our friends out in New York at Fort Hamilton Distillery. Cheers to all our Montana Outlaw BBQ fans. We hope you enjoy Montana Outlaw Cocktail Hour as much as we do. Enjoy. You want one?